What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have an update on Book of Meme, also known as Bome, which has pumped up quite a bit guys. It has gone up 15% in the last 24 hours, majority of them coming from earlier on this afternoon, and it is currently trading at over the 1 cent target. So we're going to be going through what is next for Book of Meme. Is it likely to hit more green candles for the rest of the week and going into July, or is it likely to drop back down in value? So we are going to be covering buyers and sellers point of view, looking at what is the best option right now. Is it to buy it, is it to sell it, or is it simply to hold on to it? And essentially looking at its short-term and long-term trade as well, and its predictions, looking at is this a crypto still worth investing into in 2024. But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel, and for a bonus entry, following me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, and as you guys can see, we have been fluctuating in the green zone over the last 2 weeks approximately. So it can do two things here: either stay in the green zone, or well, three things effectively: drop back down into the red zone or pump up into the dark green zone, which I will be going through later on in the video. So for now, I'm just going to hide this and bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, giving us the average value of Book of Meme, which is here in purple, and the actual value of Book of Meme is here in red. So it is performing quite well and better than expected. And again, just to give you guys a heads up, this crypto is effectively not a crypto that's been around for a long time. It was listed back in March, about 2.5 months ago, meaning it's still getting used to it, and the data that we have is not that much, meaning the long-term prediction is not going to be as accurate. But again, I'm going to try and keep it as short as possible. So let's zoom into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart here, we do have the orange line looking quite bullish, heading towards a positive direction. And yes, it is looking quite steep, meaning it is not as realistic as it seems. Reason is looking a bit steep is because of the pump that's taking place earlier on this afternoon. The graph thinks the crypto is going to keep pumping in that direction and at that pace, which is pretty much not the case, because it is not realistic effectively. And over the next 12 to 14 hours guys, in the early hours of tomorrow to tomorrow midday, I am expecting Book of Meme to have dropped back down in value, trading at a slightly lower value than where it is at the moment, potentially dropping just below the 1 cent target is where I'm expecting the crypto to be trading at by midday tomorrow. Reason being is it has pumped up quite a bit and it is due for a little bit of a step back in value, so hence why I'm expecting it to hit more red candlesticks. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days now we're looking quite bullish, and again looking too steep. So once again, this is not as realistic as it seems. Exact same reason as the previous chart. So over the next 7 to 8 days, towards mid to end of next week, I am expecting Book of Meme to have gone through an overall minimal increase in value. Nothing too crazy, potentially heading up to 0.012 to 0.013 cents in value is where I'm expecting Book of Meme to be trading at by mid to end of next week. But then again, do expect the odd red days in between, but what matters is the overall outcome, which at this point does seem to be more on the positive side rather than the negative side. So yes guys, do expect an overall minimal increase in value. Moving on to the daily chart, now we're looking much more realistic guys. We still have the blue and the orange line heading upwards towards the bullish direction, but it is not looking as steep as the previous two charts, meaning this is much more realistic. And yes guys, I'm expecting an overall minimal increase in value from Book of Meme over the next 6 to 8 weeks. So mid to late August, I'm expecting the crypto to be heading over the 2 cents target, potentially heading up to 0.025 cents in value is where I'm expecting Book of Meme to be hovering around in August. However, you guys have seen how volatile the crypto market has been, with Bitcoin dropping back down to $61,000 right now, which has not been a good 2 to 3 weeks for the crypto market, with major dips and so on. However, I'm expecting it to slowly recover over the next 2 to 3 months, and yes, by the end of the year I'm expecting Bitcoin to be hitting a new all-time high, which should have a major positive impact on the crypto market, but that is again for a future video. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale. So as you guys can see, we are currently trading in the green zone, and we did hit the resistance target here a couple of times. However, it has bounced back up into the green zone right now, and over the next 2 weeks I'm expecting it to head up into the dark green zone, heading higher than where it is at the moment, and in late July, August it should be heading into the blue zone, and essentially into the top tier level here in August is what I'm expecting at the moment. However, if there are any major updates or news that come across that can have a potential impact on the value of Book of Meme, I will let you guys know as soon as possible. So make sure you guys stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So let's get rid of the Fibonacci scale and head into the CoinMarketCap website. Here we can see the trading volume has gone up over 100% in the last 24 hours, making it over $165 million in trading, guys, which is again a huge increase in trading. Reason being is quite obvious, it has pumped up in value quite a bit, so there's a lot more people trading the crypto from both buyers and sellers point of view, hence why the trading volume is going up, and is likely to go up even higher over the coming hours as more and more people are likely to start trading the crypto. Over the week, 16% up. Majority of the week it was fluctuating all up until now, where it decided to take quite a pump, and over the month it has dropped down a massive 25%, guys. So that's what I mean, how volatile the crypto market has been, with Bitcoin dropping down in value quite a bit, which has had a negative impact on majority of the cryptocurrencies, which you guys can clearly see here. But it should hopefully start to slowly recover over the coming weeks and months as well. But yeah, I've seen a lot of comments saying Book of Meme is likely to hit the 10 cents target by the end of the year, which I highly doubt. For it to hit 10 cents, it will require a major increase in value, which I'm not expecting from the crypto at the moment. I'm expecting it to head up to around 3 cents in value, is where I would say its highest point would be for 2024. But let me know in the comment section down below how high you guys are expecting this crypto to go in 2024. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it is free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.